Hi guys! Hi everyone! And for today's episode, I'm actually gonna share with you on how I was able to shop from the different stores in the US and have it delivered here in the Philippines. So, I've actually used Shippingcart for my transactions, and then I just like to give you an idea as well on what Shippingcart is. So, actually, they're one of the couriers that you can also use in shipping items from the US or UK to the Philippines. So they actually deliver door to door, and they're also partnered with LBC. Now, how does it work? So all you have to do first is sign up on their website that I'll be linking down below. So you can just click that, and then once you have your unique identifier with you, they'll be giving you the addresses of their warehouses that are located in the US, also in the UK. So once you already have your username or unique identifier, you can now start shopping from the different stores in the US or in the UK. So all of the stores, and then just have it delivered with the address that they'll be giving you. You actually have the option to ship your items via air or via sea, but just to give you a tip. So it would be cheaper if you would use sea cargo for your shipment, but then it would take longer, around like 60 days. So in the next clips, I'm going to show you my experience. Actually, this is my first time using Shippingcart as well. So I'm gonna share with you my experience when my items already arrived in their warehouse.
Once the item arrives in their address, you will be informed via email or their application. You will need to wait for a prompt that you can already ship the item out, and in this video, I am going to show you how. So first thing, all you have to do is open the Shippingcart application that you have downloaded. And from here, you will be able to see a summary of your items that are in your cart or in your chosen address. Just click the specific cart, and in here, you will be able to see the items that have been uploaded and are already available for shipping. You have the option to have it consolidated with no additional charges or ship it individually. You can also choose whether you would like to have it shipped via air or via sea, and the cost will also be reflected. Upon clicking the next button, you will be asked for your shipping address in where you would like your items to be delivered, also the most convenient payment option for you. So you can pay via credit card, via debit card, or using PayPal. Once you have already checked out, you will be receiving a notification or confirmation of the transaction that you just made. And in this application, you can also see a status page with a summary of your shipment and its expected delivery date. Shippingcart also gives you real-time notification on the status of your shipment, and you are also given an alternate tracking number so that you can check via LBC on where your items are.
I had 7 items that needs to be delivered in my address, but then I believe because of their backlogs, and then they really had to cope up with the volume as well as the items that they weren't able to deliver yet, they opted to ship all the items one by one. So all in all, I was able to receive 7 boxes instead of 1. Actually, my items were delayed for around 2 to 3 weeks because I was supposed to receive the items 3rd of September. But I just had to be patient until my items already arrived at my doorstep. What we're going to do is I'll be showing you some of the items that I have bought from the stores in the US. Actually, my shipment included 4 books, but then those are not mine because I don't read books. one of the items that we bought is a bag from Kate Spade, and it's really nice. You can't deny. It's cute. This next one is also from Kate Spade. It's a handbag, and I really love this item. It's leather, and it's definitely worth it. I really saved a lot for this item, and for sure, once they go on sale again, I will be buying. The question is, will I still be using Shippingcart? Right now, the answer is maybe yes, because I think they need to get stabilized again in terms of their customer service and be back on their feet. Then maybe one day I'll be able to use their services once. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to be able to see you in my next reviews or in my next videos. Have a good day. Bye!